They be trying anything, they just want to get in the motor. They just want to get in the motor.
Don't let nobody look at it.
Yeah, they don't let nobody. They be, oh yeah, it look like you need an intake gasket. Let me change the intake gasket. They want to look, no, she ain't letting everybody change her little O-rings and all that. No, it's still good. Yeah. Everything's still good. Once you keep your oil change and all that, you ain't gotta go and keep rebuilding the motor. See, that y'all be going to them bullshit mechanics. They gotta rebuild your motor. 6 months later, it's back on. Yeah, she don't go to the trade. All that's over with. She done learned her lesson. She ain't leaking no oil. No, her water pump went out one time.
Probably a little water now.
Yeah, a little water pump. Yeah, a little water pump leak. Little gasket. Little gasket. Little gasket, man. No, that's easy fix though. We gonna get that back on the road. Another 200,000 miles. She ain't doing nothing but changing oil and pumping gas. That's it. That's it, y'all.
Changing oil.
We finna get this blunt rolled up, man. I hope ain't none of y'all get mad. How many of my subscribers smoked this week? What y'all smoking on? Y'all got any? How many people? 105 watching. 105 people. Out of that 105, probably 20 of them speaking. All the rest of them just looking like, what is this guy doing? Yeah. What is this? Yeah, they laugh. Some of them be laughing. I might blow my gasket. Oh. Oh, yeah, Dave, not good.
Whatever.
What? Let me see, you
that's
know what I
takes up a lot of time.
got that bread, banana pudding. Son, we got some Tropicana cookies. Hey, dang, Suke Mike Hawk, he say he don't smoke. Do you drink, Suke Mike? Do you know, I got me Weird HD say he a beer drinker. I don't drink beer. I got a restriction on beer, man. I tried beer at probably 10. My grandma was drinking them Miller Lights. I hit it one time. I made a promise to myself at about 10. This ain't me. I ain't never drinking this again. I still don't drink. I don't want no beer.
Hi, how you doing?
Do they got Papados in Australia? What y'all think? You think they got Papa? Nah.
It's possible.
It's possible.
Could be. Might not be called Papados.
She said it could be. Hey, what they got close to? 88B series say he ain't had no alcohol in 15 years, but he smoked weed every day.
I mean, he was alcoholic, so he couldn't have it.
Yeah, he was alcoholic. He couldn't hold it.
What?
He was, yeah, man, I was smoking.
Ain't nobody called you.
Yeah, not a big guy.
Ain't nobody called you. Where you at?
Yeah.
Huh?
Let me see. They ain't racing right now, so yeah, y'all ain't missing out on nothing.
Sitting over here, where you eat your food.
Let me see, man.
Where you be?
We are right here.
Tables right here.
Got it from concentrated, cheap as fuck. It's Thundercock a race team. Racing the finish. Using it.
I didn't know you were talking to yourself or talking on the phone.
I had some
Were you crazy?
Yeah, she got them earbuds in.
Yeah. She over here looking into it. What you looking at? Man, I didn't know you talking about.
There I am down there.
Clean the bone hat. I don't smoke weed nor tobacco. I drink hard liquor, no beer. I drink hard liquor too. I drink Grey Goose pineapple. What you be drinking? What's hard to you? You gonna get you some Jack? Get you a Lookout. Oh no, you probably can't afford that.
What you drink, Jackie?
Those the bum cars. All of them fast pretty much. I ain't seen one. I don't even think you could join the crew if you ain't got enough money. He probably wouldn't even want to do my car here.
You gonna see me again. Where the KB at go? I ain't seen him no more.
Walking around him trying to get something.
Okay. Alcoholism runs in my family. Not gonna be a statistic. Okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah, you don't want to get on that shit like that.
Once we got another time, a couple more races come up.
Swing the camera.
I've been getting me something.
Oh, shit.
About 250. They been the race, shit, riding them up there. Yeah. Yeah.
They the next race?
Yeah, most likely. That's why they prepping the track. They ain't racing about 2,500.
It's getting cold.
Hey, did you bet any money?
On that race riding?
Yeah, how much you done won?
I bet about 300 and didn't get nothing but 100 of it.
Oh, okay. Where the right at?
I bet about 250 on the next race and that's it. You go to the house. Give me life.
Grey Goose, grapefruit, whiskey sour, whiskey straight. I don't drink soda
I don't
either.
have no light.
Ah, you had everything else in that big old
My
purse.
point exactly. So y'all need to have something.
Oh, okay.
Shit. You said about
Yeah, she cold.
that part. Yeah, it is cold out
It
here.
ain't cold yet.
You got your hood and everything on.
I'm full of liquor though.
Yeah, he's full
that's
of
why
liquor
you
though.
ain't gone.
Hell no.
He ain't give a damn. I dropped that little bit he had.
Hell no. You gonna get some more. Straight to the head. Bottle bottle.
I'm just to make it to my phone.
Yeah. Ride on luck.
Real gonna walk you over there. I'm on this side.
I can run over there by the time y'all get over
You
there.
running?
Hell yeah,
You
she
ain't had no
work out
liquor?
every day. Shit.
You running with her too?
Oh no, you can tell I ain't doing no exercise. Don't try to be funny.
What you mean? I ain't being funny. I said you gonna run with him too. Join the
Yeah.
crowd.
I might walk at a fast pace.
Yeah.
Take that camera off me, or I have to sue you. Do you want me to sue you? Because
Oh,
you have
you?
not asked for my permission.
Oh, you ain't talking
Come
to
on
me.
now.
We got
Nah,
you.
we on
So
me.
you move that over.
We got
You
you.
ask me for
Well,
my
it's on me,
permission.
it's
You
on
have
me.
to ask people for their
Hey, y'all
permission
wanna
to
see
go
her?
down there.
They talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, they want to see you. They talking about, can they look at you?
No.
They trying to-
Get me out.
Hey,
Tell
that-
after me and you do
she
this
said she-
contract, they can.
Okay.